Hey everyone, so we are inside of Dollar Tree and they have put out some new Christmas mugs, and these are the ones that have candy inside. I'm not sure what kind of candy it is. So they had the red truck, the one with the hot cocoa cups, the gingerbread man, Santa, and a reindeer and a cute little dog, poinsettias, and I think this one is my favorite with the gingerbread houses. They also have some new Christmas ribbon. The sequins one, sorry, my phone didn't want to focus on that. The sequins one also comes in green. And then there is this one that is sort of tinsel, red and green tinsel. There's this one that has little kind of loops at the bottom, and they are all 9 feet. And then there's the gold and silver tinsel. These are more mugs, and these are just regular mugs. The words are on both sides. Making spirits bright. I heart Santa. And they also have these to-go coffee cups. There's this one. I was just looking to see if it said BPA free. I couldn't find it. It could possibly be underneath the sticker, but I didn't lift the sticker up, so I'm not sure if it's BPA free or not. And then the last one over here is this one with the mittens all over it. They do have some new clip-on poinsettias, and they do have sort of a velveteen feel. And they're also glittered. They were red, white, and then this silver one. These are some of the napkins and paper plates that they have out. I found this little gift card holder. It was the only kind that I saw. It's like it's been banged around a bit. And then underneath that is this candy cane garland. And then I saw this pair of earrings. They do light up. And then this was a new stocking with the snowman. They still have the one with the elf. And then right above that, they put out these elf hats. And I think these are the little elf hats that they have every year. And they brought back the Christmas pickle ornament. Packaging is different this year. And then I saw this laying down large glitter pine cones. So they have one that has a frosted effect on it. They have it in red glitter, gold glitter, and silver glitter. And there's one per stem. I saw these new ornaments. They're little sleds. They're metal sleds with this sort of resin in the middle. And they have a Santa and a snowman. And then they have this one with a bell in the middle. I did only see him in the snowman. That's what he looks like right there. Cute little guy with his feet dangling. And then I saw this little ornament, a little snowman that says Noel, and a little penguin that says peace. And the penguin and the snowman are on top of the sign, so you could take those off and use those in another craft. Here are some of the gift bags that they're putting out. This one I think is so pretty with the gold foil Merry Christmas and Santa and the sled. This one I think is really modern. That one is nice as well. And then these are some of the giant gift bags that they have out right now. And this one has all the red trucks and the other trucks and campers. And then I saw this, and I have not seen this at my Dollar Tree before. It's just like a big pendant. It's made of felt on both sides. I just really liked it. Just wanted to show it to you. It was over here with the rest of the felt decor, and it has sort of a shimmer effect without all the glitter. And then look what I found. They're restocking these peel and stick tiles. They had 3 different varieties. This one has always been one of my favorites. I also like this one in the copper color. They have some new 2-in-1 Bolero shampoo for men, and it comes in the 2 new scents that they have for all of the new men's Bolero products. And they have some new hand cream. They have the peonies and pear, the vanilla bean and peppermint, which I think is an unusual combination. And they also have the coconut and wild berries. And then they have these body fragrance mists in the same fragrances. Packaging is really nice on those. And they have these bath crumbles in peonies and pear. Packaging is super cute on that. That little bow really makes that packaging. And they also have, I don't know why I didn't show you the other one, but the other one is the one with the wild berries. They have the foot scrub and face scrub. They have these hot hands, hand warmers, and also toe warmers. If you've used these before and they work well, comment below and let me know. And then I saw these Gnome bath bombs. They're charcoal bath bombs, and it says there's a gift inside. They're pink on one side and then gray on the other side. There were only 2 left in there, and they were both the same. Look at this new ribbon, guys. So it's mermaid themed. So it's white with silver mermaids. This one is like the scales. This one is really pretty. It's like iridescent mermaid tails and shells. 3 yards in each roll. Then you have the clamshells and then this scaled ribbon. And the last one is a unicorn. And they also have lots of the gingham ribbon. By the candles, I saw this soothing sandalwood oil. You put that in an oil burner, and they also have this flower citrus fragrance as well. This was a new candle, blueberry pancakes, and it does come in this little mason jar. They have some new cookie cutters out, and there's a little gingerbread man there. They have also restocked the bamboo cutting boards. I saw this Mrs. Fields Slice and Easy cake cutter, and they had a ton of them out. I think they had just put those out. There were a lot of those. I don't know if these work well or not. If you've used them, comment below and let me know. And then they had these silicone and bamboo spoons. They had slotted spoons, spatulas, slotted spatulas, bowl scrapers. And then there were these posters. Overwatch. I don't know what that is. I don't have any kids. I have no idea what that is, but apparently there are 13 of these posters to collect, and they had quite a few of them, so I'm sure that you'll probably be able to find all 13 at Dollar Tree, hopefully. On the round display, I saw this apple pumpkin candle in the mason jar, and guys, this one smells really good. Check out these little round baskets that have the faux weaving effect. They're not very large, but they're very cute, and they come in white and black. You could spray paint those any color you want. And then look at all this apple cinnamon Cheerios. It is gluten-free. They had just put those out, and they have the family-sized Jolly Rancher cereal as well. I saw these no-touch keys, and they come in a bunch of different patterns, so you can push an elevator button, open a door without touching them. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this quick walkthrough. I hope you all are doing well, taking care and staying safe. I'll see you in my next video, which will be a DIY. Take care, everyone. Bye.